Hi guys, so this is how you get Android Auto working on a EMUI. This is the Pura 80 Ultra in this instance. So we're going to go to the Aurora Store and we're just going to type in Android Auto, hit download, install. While that's installing, you need to also get Google Speech recognition and synthesis. You need to install that as well. So hit install. That should auto install, which it has. Perfect. Now you want to head to settings, apps and services, apps, and then find Android Auto. You'll see here that you've got a lot of permissions. You need to enable all the permissions, and then more permissions, nearby devices, and then you want to double check that these two at the bottom are also set to yes, and then just double check notifications are available, which they are, and then you see this cogwheel in the top right. You want to click that. Then we are brought to the Android Auto interface. So then you want to scroll down and then click version, and then you just want to click version a few times and then enable that prompt like that, and then scroll up to the top and then click the three dots, and then it says developer settings. You don't need to enable anything in here particularly, but I just enable the settings. Then head over to the speech recognition and synthesis, enable the permissions for that are required, notifications, yeah, draw over other apps, yes. Then you want to head back to Launch Manager and find Android Auto, and then make sure they're all three are enabled. I use an Android Auto wireless dongle, so I make sure that's enabled as well, but it still works with just the wire. And then I don't think yes, there is. Same again, enable all three options to manage manually. And then now all you need to do is go ahead and plug in your device, accept the prompts, and you should be good to go. I'll try and get a video to add to this showing it working. Right guys, I'm just going to show you that the Android Auto works. So we've got the Pura here, and then we've got the car's interface. So I'm just going to pop the USB in here, and then we've got a prompt there on the car, and then what I'm going to do is tap Android Auto, connect it to Android Auto, and then you've got the prompt there, accept it on your dash, continue. It's really hard to do on one-handed. Blah blah blah. Okay. Okay. Android Auto needs you to turn on notification access. Go to phone. That's it. So we just need to tap that to enable it. Allow. And now, as you can see, we've got Android Auto working. Wired. No problem. And you've got all your apps. Micro G, messages, phone, WhatsApp, all that good stuff. Spotify. Okay, so I just started playing it on the phone and it's playing there now. I think I just need to enable auto start for Spotify. I don't think I've done that. And then it's all playing, then you've got your apps. And that's wired Android Auto on a Huawei EMUI. And it will also work wirelessly, so I have the AAWireless dongle, which I can connect for wireless Android Auto.